Hey guys, so this is my John Deere E180 garden tractor. It's going to be a short video, just doing a cheap little upgrade on it. It's a new seat cover. Best thing about this, it has a little storage pouch in the back of it. You can put your gardening tools and whatnot in it. And you can get these at Home Depot. They're $59.99 plus tax here in Canada. So it's a little windy out, so hopefully you can hear me. This is a gift I got for Father's Day. And the purpose of these seats, they're great if you have a new tractor and you want to protect the new seat. As well, if you have an older tractor with an old torn seat and whatnot, this here will make it look nice and new. And so let's get it out of the package, see what it looks like. Alright, so there's a little protective paper inside it. Almost feels like a bounce sheet. And it's nice, has the John Deere logo on it. That's the back pouch. And it's nice, it has a little bit of foam in it too, so if you have an older seat, it's going to make it a little more comfortable. So let's get this on, see how it looks. Alright, so I got it all installed. This literally took 5 seconds to install. Put the box down for a sec. The easiest way to install it is you pull the seat down over the back part, seat cover, and then once it's fully down to the bottom, you pull the front down to cover the front. So again, put the back part on, and then there's enough slack where you can actually fold the front under. And as you see, it's held on more or less with an elastic, almost like a bungee cord around the bottom there, and it fits nice and snug. Has some storage pouches in the back and in the center, and also has a little zipped area. You can put your license and registration and insurance in there. Just kidding. And it's nice with the John Deere logo again on the back and on the front. Again, just a short video on a little upgrade on the tractor. Again, it will protect the factory seat or will make an old seat look brand new again. And again, this is made of polyester, has a little foam in it, so it gives you a little more comfort too. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. If not, thanks for watching, and you may consider subscribing to the channel. Take care.